house right there.
Oh.
Look at the door on it.
I'm looking at the bobcat.
I want that door off that house.
There's,
they're going to tear it down.
There's an old house sitting there.
It's beautiful.
They already... Okay, it's Saturday, February 8th. We got a nice day today. It's supposed to be sunny and 40. So we're taking all of the stuff that Mrs. Kapper's been working on, and like the new stove, which we'll show you in a minute. Everything is going over to Kentucky. So we're gonna make some progress there. We're wrapping her wood stuff, and you'll see how we're gonna, we'll figure out how to load it.
I hope so. Gosh, you don't realize how much stuff you have until you gotta try and pack it. We got some of it on already. Not that. Got the headboard and the stove. And then some of the upper cabinets are over here. They're just primed. They're not painted yet, so I'll do that when I get up. Oh, let's see, the vent hood. Some miscellaneous dinner stuff. And we still need to get my kitchen table, chairs, and that door back there on there. Let's see how good we are at packing.
All right, we're loaded. I don't dare open the back door. It's packed in there. We got kitchen cabinets, kitchen chairs. Everything else is loaded. The new bed frame, the stove for the kitchen, one of the new doors, the living room table, and the kitchen table. And these two big posts here, those are for the right there for the bed frame. So we're ready to roll. All right, we got a beautiful day going through a small town. Wow, check out that bobcat.
Look at that old house right there.
Oh,
look at the door on it.
I'm looking at the bobcat.
I want that door off that house. They're gonna tear it down.
There's an old house sitting there.
It's beautiful.
They already tore one down.
I want that door.
And then there's
a window. Look at the window.
Skid steer sitting there also that we just drove by. Skid steer.
What? I didn't see that. Where was that?
She didn't see it. Oh gosh.
Okay, you're on.
All right, we made it. As far as we know, no major damage. Maybe a couple little scratches here and there, but time to get it all in the house.
Well, the countertop is finally in. It's not attached. He didn't have the brackets. They forgot to include them with the countertop. The sink is in. That's not connected yet, but it's in. So a little bit of progress. Love the color. And I think it's going to look really nice once I get the backsplash on.
Okay, sorry Matt, we've now messed up the house again. Miss Kapper put cardboard because Matt's got to pull off this yellow drywall. Everything you see here that's yellow is going to come off, and it's just going to get a plywood sheathing. So, because this is all going to be, Mrs. Kapper's going to do backsplash all the way, all this drywall that you see. And I like your signs, Matt. So we got everything offloaded. We got a few chips and dings here and there, but overall pretty good. Got parts. I got all the parts for the antenna booster. That long rod there, I ordered that custom for the cell phone booster to get it up off of the peak of the roof a little bit higher. And the bed frame and the two big posts have made it in here, so not too far down the road, that's going to be set up behind this bed.
This is the old church pew that was in that back porch of that Kentucky house. And I want to refinish it because it's beautiful. Love the little carving on it. The edges with the oak carvings. It's in really good shape. It's from an old church from the area. So I'm sure it needs a little help with some glue and maybe a little more hardware to make it look a little bit better. But I think I can do something with it. Definitely need to look at what kind of nails and screws they got in it, because I'm not sure I'd want to sit and have that on my back. Don't know where I'm going to put it, but I definitely want to clean it up and just puts a clear coat of varnish on it. No stain.